And welcome back, adventurers. Welcome back. It is me, Keefa. Of course, you already know that. You're the ones watching the video. You know who I am. And this is a 5 minutes of your time video. I'm a little excited because I really like that I'm able to get out and make these videos like this again. So I'm a little excited. Bear with me, y'all. Alright, so this particular 5 minutes of your time is about one of my co-workers. He gave me this idea earlier today. So we're going to cover it here now. Alright, so it is becoming holiday season. When I say holiday season, I mean Thanksgiving, Christmas, so on and so forth. And that's when all the family members like to get together, friends like to come over, and you eat usually Thanksgiving or Christmas dinners, hams, turkeys, blah, 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 blah. Alright. But this particular individual came to me, and we'll call him Sancho for the sake of this video. Sancho came to me and asked, what would I make if I was making a dish to take to the family that I wanted all of it to be eaten? Now, that's not the way he asked, but you get the idea. What he wants is to be able to bring a plate to the family outing or family gathering and have his family eat all of whatever it is he brings. And the reason being, he gave me an explanation on it. He has a twin brother. Sancho has a twin brother named, we'll call him Arnold for this particular section. I'll forget what I call him in a minute. But Sancho says him and his twin brother Arnold are going to be competing, having a competition, if you will, about who prepared the better dish. Is it going to be Sancho and whatever he brings, or what his brother brings? Well, I first came up with the idea, hey, well, I got it one for you, right off the rip. Bring Jell-O. But not a lot of Jell-O. One single cup of Jell-O. Set it on the table. Somebody's going to eat it. And if no one else grabs it, grab it yourself and eat the Jell-O. That way, whatever you brought is already all eaten. Right? Yeah, I know that's a horrible way to do it. So I had to ask him, all right, really though, this is what we're looking at, man. Are you trying to win the competition? Are you trying to win the challenge? Or are you trying to challenge yourself to win? See, I thought about that earlier today, and I really like the way that sounds. Are you winning? Are you trying to win the challenge or challenge yourself to win? So what that means is, are you just making something or doing something just to win? Or do you want to grow and become a better person at whatever this is and win that way? So of course he chose the latter. He's going to try to make something beginner-ish. He's kind of young. He's not a chef by no means. His words, not mine. And needs something that's going to be enjoyed by everyone, but more importantly, is going to be enjoyed more than what his brother brought. Let's get around this big guy. There we go. Alright, so with that being said, I threw a lot of ideas at him. One of the ideas I had is I saw on the Facebook market, not Facebook market, the Facebook post feed thing, where it looked like ground sausage formed into the shape of a possum with ears and chicken feet for feet. It was absolutely hilarious looking. I loved it. I was like, hey, do this. No, I can't do that. I couldn't eat if I cooked that. So that was his response to that one. All right, well, let's go back to the drawing board. What's something I can suggest to him that he may be able to prepare pretty easily? I throw out like chicken bacon ranch casserole. What was it? Ranch and dill pickle poppers. That's just cream cheese, cheddar cheese, mixed all together, put inside of a pickle with ranch. All or something like that. I don't remember the recipe completely off the top of my head. And he liked that idea. The ranch dill pickle poppers, he actually liked that idea. But he also brought up deviled eggs. And I loved, let's get that strap out of y'all's way. I loved his logic behind doing the deviled eggs, even though deviled eggs is a traditional holiday bring into the family kind of platter. So I'm against it there, but his reasoning sold it to me. All right. And he says, my twin brother absolutely loves deviled eggs. I hate them, but my brother loves them. I was like, Sancho, that's genius. You're going to make a dish that you know your brother is going to want to eat more than anything else. So he has the choices of winning the competition or enjoying deviled eggs. Winning the competition or enjoying deviled eggs. Alright, well, has he ever made deviled eggs? No. I don't like them. Well, alright. Well, because you don't like them, I suggest not doing deviled eggs, because you got to taste it to know if it tastes good. And if you don't like them, you ain't going to want to taste it and see if it tastes good. So, but we're mulling it over. We have, as he says, we have a long time to get to that point, which, you know, Thanksgiving's 2 months away at this particular juncture. So he's got plenty of time. We can talk it out. He can even practice the meal 2 or 3 times before he has to have it on a platter, on a plate, in front of his brother. So, throw out some ideas. If you watch this video, throw some ideas in the comment section. He's going to be watching this video. He does watch the videos. So he'll watch the comments and he'll see what you suggest. Throw the whole recipes down there, guys. I mean, there's no reason for me not to have that in my comments. I'm not going to get rid of it. Throw it down there. I don't care what you're fixing or what you think he should fix. Throw it in the comments. I appreciate y'all coming by for this one. I know I'm over my 5-minute mark by at least 2.5 minutes by this point. But it is what it is. Thank you for supporting me, y'all. Go support the Forgotten Angels. David and Cindy would appreciate anything y'all can do for them. Come out to the camp out end of October. 26th, I think, is the last Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and everyone's leaving out that Sunday. Last weekend of October. Come check us out. Come check them out. Come give them some support. Like I said before, guys, I really appreciate it. See y'all in the next one.